there, welcome back to the channel. My name is Patricia. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare, also known as Marketplace Health Insurance. So we're going to give you all of the details in simple terms. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what is Obamacare, how to enroll, when to enroll, if you can enroll, subsidies, the cost, and such. So let's get started. So the Affordable Care Act was put in place for individuals with pre-existing health conditions can still get affordable health insurance. You cannot be denied if you have any type of pre-existing health conditions, whether it's diabetes, seizure disorders, it doesn't matter. You will not be denied due to that. And it was also put in place so that way individuals can have affordable health insurance. So now that we have gotten that out the way, let's talk about the subsidy. So there are subsidies for individuals that is in a certain income bracket. So what does this mean? So if your income is in a certain income bracket, then you can get something called a subsidy, which will help pay for the cost of your health insurance. So the subsidies work in two ways, okay? So you could get a subsidy and it will lower your monthly premium, or you could get a subsidy by choosing the silver plan only. This will help you lower the monthly premium. It will also lower your co-payments, your co-insurance, and your deductibles as well. So if your income falls under a certain bracket, then you may want to choose a silver plan because you get lower costs, monthly premium, deductibles, co-payments, and we will show you different examples of different premiums according to your income. Now, because you can get a subsidy due to your income, when you decide to enroll in a marketplace plan, also known as Obamacare, you do need to file taxes. This is how the government will know that you did in fact qualify for the subsidy. So how do you calculate your income? You're going to put in the income that you are expecting to make the year that you are qualifying for that health insurance plan. So if you're getting health insurance in 2024, then you need to estimate the income that you plan on making in 2024. Not the year before, but the year that you are applying for health insurance coverage. Now, what makes Obamacare so special, besides the fact that you can have a pre-existing health condition? There are 10 essential health benefits that must be included in marketplace health insurance. This is called major medical. So this is what makes the marketplace health insurance major medical. This was all put in place. So by law, these 10 essential health benefits must be included to be considered major medical. So let's go over the 10 essential health benefits. So the 10 essential health benefits are outpatient care, emergency care, hospital stays, mental health, prescription drug coverage, rehab services, which will include physical therapy, occupational therapy, speech therapy, rehab services for individuals that need drug treatments or have alcohol abuse issues and things like that, lab services like getting your blood drawn, free preventative care, maternity and newborn care, pediatric care. Pediatric care also include dental and vision, okay? So those are the 10 essential health benefits that must be included to be considered major medical, to also be considered marketplace health insurance plans. So let's talk about the open enrollment dates. So these are the dates that you can enroll in marketplace health insurance every year, and it's considered open enrollment period. So the dates are from November 1st to January the 15th of every single year. Now, if a date follows on a holiday, then it may extend a day. For an example, January the 15th was on, I think, Martin Luther King's Day. So it extended this year to January the 16th. But normally, the dates would be November 1st to January the 15th, when you can enroll in marketplace health insurance for that following year. Okay, so that is OEP, the open enrollment period. So we talked about open enrollment periods, but there are other periods that you can, in fact, enroll in marketplace health insurance due to a life-changing event. I'm going to go over the life-changing events. If you have any of these life-changing events, you have 60 days from that event where you can enroll in marketplace health insurance. So here are the life-changing events. Losing health insurance coverage, and this includes losing Medicaid. So if you recently lost Medicaid, you have 60 days to enroll. You recently got married. You recently changed primary place of living. So say you're in one zip code, you move to another zip code, and that plan is no longer available, then you could change your health insurance. From one state to another state, then obviously you could change and enroll in marketplace health insurance. Now, if you was released recently from jail or detention, you also have 60 days to enroll in a plan as well. You recently adopted, placed on for adoption, or placed for foster care. So those are the 5 reasons you can go ahead and enroll in a marketplace health insurance plan. Like I said, you have 60 days to do so. So let's talk about the 4 different levels for marketplace health insurance. So the insurance plans are going to be based on different levels. Remember earlier I said that if you enroll in a silver plan, then you could get more of a subsidy, because the silver plan is going to be a plan that's designed for someone that uses the plan often, okay? So they put a lot of the subsidy money into the silver plan, but there are 4 different levels. So you have bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. So if you choose a bronze plan, this would be perfect for someone that's not going to use the plan that often, because your max out of pocket is going to be the highest, okay? And you also have the next level, which is silver. This is for someone that's going to use the plan more often. And like I said, if you have a subsidy, I recommend the silver plan because you're going to get more credit, okay? The next level would be gold. So gold would be for someone that wants a lower max out of pocket. However, your premium is going to cost you more. And of course, you have your platinum. And your platinum is going to be the highest premium, but your co-pays should be lower, okay? So when you get a platinum plan, most likely the insurance company will pay 80%. You'll pay about 20% because your premium is going to be the highest. Alrighty, guys. So we're going to play with some quotes so that way you guys can see what it looks like depending on your income, okay? So let me go ahead and share my screen here. Alrighty. So here's my screen. So let's do a zip code of, let's say, so let's do a zip code in Texas. So we're going to say this person is 28, female, and let's say it's a household of 1 person, just herself, and let's say she makes $21,000 for the year. Okay, so she had a savings, as you guys can see here, and she also has the cost sharing reduction. This is a discount that lowers the out-of-pocket expense, deductibles, co-payments, and co-insurance. And like we said before, this only applies to the silver plans only, okay? So we're going to come over here, and here are the different levels. So we have bronze, we have silver, and we have gold. We don't have platinum in this area. So we're going to click on silver because we want to get that cost sharing reduction, okay? So here's a plan right here. So I would probably recommend this particular plan is $0 a month, zero health deductible. The max out of pocket is only $1,800. Doctor visits is no charge. Specialist is $10. Generic drugs is no charge. And if you look at the plan details right here, you will also see that if she's on brand medications, it's $15. If she needs x-rays done, imaging, blood work, she would pay 25%. Urgent care, $5. Emergency room, ambulance, hospital stay, outpatient, physical rehab, she will pay no charge for rehab and 25% for these services here. And we have outpatient services, no charge. Psych hospital stay is 25%. Well, baby care is no charge, and labor and delivery is 25%. And here are all the preventative care that is free. So all of these services here are free, okay? Let's go up. So right here, the 1,800 max out of pocket. So like we said, a lot of these services are 25%, but once she reached 1,800, then the plan would pay for everything else, okay? And this is an HMO plan. Let's go back here. Here we can add her doctors. We can add doctors here. We can add medications as well. And it would tell us if the medication is covered or not. Let's add a medication. Let's say she's taking Xanax. Let's say she's taking this generic medication. We'll add that. Let's say it's 1 milligrams. And as you can see, the medication is covered and it's no charge, okay? You can do the same thing to see if a doctor is in network. Okay, let's try a zip code in Florida. Let's say this person is 62. Let's add a spouse that is, let's say, 64, not quite ready for Medicare. So we have husband and wife here. Let's say they make 30,000. Okay, so we got 30,000. So we still have the cost share reduction. Okay, and then we have a savings of $2,381 per month. Let's go to the silver plans. So, okay, so we have this plan right here, $0 a month. The health deductible is $650. Drug deductible $200. The max out of pocket is $2,900. Doctor visits is $15. Specialist is $40. Generic drugs is $15. And here are some other options. Okay. So let's say this couple makes, let's say, 70,000. They have the savings, but they don't have the cost share reduction. You can see the monthly premium does go up quite a bit. The max out of pocket is a lot higher as well because you don't have that share of cost, the cost sharing reduction. You just have the savings for the monthly premium. So you can see the different prices here. So like I said, it's going to change based on your household income. So if you have any questions on this, please let me know in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Since the marketplace health insurance help with subsidies, you do not want to underestimate your income, okay? Because if you do, you'll end up paying the subsidy back. For example, say you make 80,000, but you think that you're going to make 40,000, but you end up making 80. where you underestimated. So the subsidy that you have gotten, you shouldn't have not gotten that. So when you pay your taxes, you're going to pay that back. So what happens if you're making $40,000, you get a raise, so you're making more, you just want to update your application. So it's very important to remember you do not want to underestimate, so that way you don't owe when you do your taxes. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you need any assistance with enrolling in health insurance, please do not hesitate to give my agency a call. I'll leave the number right here. Also, I will leave the link if you want to try to enroll yourself or look at the plans. All the information will be in the description of this video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.